She said look at her bad day. It's been a year. Camera shy now again. Nayeon. So what is the lovely? Look how tall James is. Alcohol in these ones. Nasasaro. Alright. Alright, happy 18th, Andy. We've relocated to this park. And he's here. Happy New Year, guys. I'm back home now. I already changed. I'm just so freaking tired. I'm about to remove my makeup and head to bed. I'm so tired. I can barely talk right now. Anyways, but I'm just very thankful for you know, my friends for being there for me. And what is it? Oh, there's so much. I'm awake now, I suppose. I mean, I was awake like an hour-ish ago, but I was typing up a little diary. New Year's resolutions, if you would say. I'm probably gonna put on some light makeup, and then me and my brother are gonna head out. But basically, he lost his wallet on New Year's Eve yesterday, and yeah, some lady found his wallet, and they contacted our driver's instructor, because it was like literally the only business card he had in there, and then the driver instructor contacted Andy. So we have located his wallet and we're gonna go get it.
Hello?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah. My boy James. My boy James. My boy James.
Teddy.
Welcome to my crib. That's why.
To meet my friend.
Oi. Did you get it?
Yeah, my car's just shuffling. How was that?
I never really spoke after Malatung, did I? Malatung. Oh my god, what am I saying? I think for the rest of the night, I'm gonna watch Queendom. It's basically like a girl group, K-pop girl group battle. It's like between 6 girl groups. I watched like the first 2 episodes, I believe. It was really good, but I just, at that point, I wasn't motivated to watch it. So I'm gonna finish it off. It has like 10 episodes. I'm not too sure. But maybe I'll finish it off today. It's 11 PM right now. I probably won't finish it off today, actually, because each episode's like an hour long. I don't even remember. I'm just making this shit up. I don't know. So my brother just like sent me this meme. My brain really malfunctioned. Hello guys, it is the 2nd of January. Or is it the 3rd of January? What day is it? The 2nd of January.
2nd of January.
And Ernest has finally appeared. Today's very hot, but I have work later at 5 o'clock. Welcome to Ernest's lovely lemon. If you get the lemon reference, you're a legend. Oh, you brought your little jacket.
Because it was cold this morning.
It's not cold. Crazy.
How does it feel? But the only downside is the radio is not working again.
And aircon doesn't work?
Aircon works like for 5 minutes. By the time it gets cool, it's not going to work anymore. Inside the car the whole time it was being fixed. He's seen a lot of stuff.
I'm sweaty. Hungry Jacks. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging much inside. Maybe just the food because it's kind of awkward. It's Hungry Jacks. So.
Hello. Đi rồi, đang lái xe.
Wait, let me turn off the lights first. Turn on the fish tank light. So we're off to, what was the place called? Cortez. Basically some hotel restaurant in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, we're just having like a little family dinner because my auntie is flying back to Vietnam. She was here on a holiday visa. I have no idea who the kid in front of me is, but sure. Happy Monday, everyone. We're headed to Canberra to eat food. There's this one car that doesn't want to take his stick up. There we go. We waiting! We got a spot!
No worries about that.
The entire parking freaking building says there's only 18 spots left, and we managed to snag one of them.
Right in front as well.
The lift is broken. Oh my god, I hate stairs. There it goes. We got some milk tea, we got rainbow pudding, honeydew and taro. The taro at Taro Beauty is the best, just saying. Yeah, 3 for $10, really not bad. Rainbow pudding is questionable. It literally looks like Vietnamese rainbow dessert. Hey guys, it's the day of the Pink Sweats concert. Sandra's actually coming over earlier today because we're gonna exchange our Christmas presents. I think I'll wake up at like 1 p.m. today because I did freaking sleep pretty late and I was expecting to wake up at 2 because I'm crazy. But I was supposed to go to the doctor's with Ernest today, but he didn't want to come over because I have a concert today that I'm supposed to be resting up for. And yeah, I'm still going out with Sandra now, but
The tripod. They're so bold, I'm not used to it.
huh?
Like no fur.
Oh, because you have a Pomeranian. She's talking to my dog. Yeah. This is yours.
No, because it's like 2 things fill up most of the package. Jesus Christ!
One of them is not wrapped. The biggest one is not wrapped because I couldn't wrap it.
For my apartment fridge. Like an ice cream tray. Welcome to the. I've always wanted magnetic poetry. Oh my god.
I have a frozen taro. What do you have?
Brown sugar.
Yum. Oh my god, I'm out. I literally can't hear anything. Oh my god. That's good, but I'm fucking deaf. Look how many people there are. Sandra's been at this machine for like $20. Oh. Guess who's here? So he wants to clean my house. I mean, I want to clean my house. Huh.
You know, it's a mess.
Yeah. So he's like sorting out my crap here. This is my living room, by the way. Are we surprised? What basket?
This basket right here.
Well, we just show my clean clothes.
With the rest of the clean clothes.
They're not clean.
Or
What do you mean?
what's done is done.
What is going on? This is explicit. I'm gonna get demonetized.
Just make it 8. You don't even get monetized.
I am monetized actually.
Wait.
I earn like 2 cents.
Wait.
It's good than nothing, yeah. He's making me get all those clothes off my bathroom floor. My bathroom is actually very clean, except for the floor. No, it's very clean. It's very clean. Well, half these clothes are clean. I just bought this top. It has a tag on it. So, I'm gonna attempt to sort out my dishes. I don't even know what's going on. I have a shit ton there, and then I have like that trolley. There's like some dishes in there. Oh my god, I hate myself. I really do. I'm gonna do some bullshit beauty guru stuff. I'm using the Morning Fresh fast dry technology advanced white tea. And then I'm using this and this to wash the dishes. I have the normal Morning Fresh, the yellow one, the lemon one, the one that everyone uses. But I want to try this. I bought this recently. TV unit from over there, and then swap to the sofa. He's analyzing. Oh. Oh. Yeah.